there, Cedric, come on there. Well done.
Hit it, Cedric.
Enough of that, you. I can play it out. Right, you sit there. 10 minutes go. Go full, Cedric. Back. Good, well done. Good.
Yeah.
Split him there, so good. Okay, on you go, ball. Get it. Other way. Well done. Middle. Push up and turn. Hands on. Drop, boys, drop. Kev, don't go to the ball. Kev. Henry, back in line. Go ball on you. Kev, turn the ball. Ready? Kev, ready? Yeah. Good. Now you try and wait on that. Go. Back, ready. Go, ready. Drop it. Lucky. Go, boys. Hey, left. Kev, go to the ball. Easy there. On go, bring it. Out. Henry's. Oh, that's so good, man. Yeah. Good play, Kev. Good play, lads. First one come in. Let's go. It's really difficult. Yeah, like I didn't play, and then very difficult getting it. Lovely. Yeah, bring it again. Go there first, man. Unlucky. Hey, better football, lads. Good argument as well, enjoyed that. Good stuff so far. Passing, pressure. I've got one here. Kev, drop back! Ready? Again, and again. Yeah, and again. Ready! Kev, ready, on two now. That's good, Henry. Russ! Yes, maybe go through, go two in.
Mate, with all honesty, it was a goal.
I think we know it's a goal.
Yeah.
But
No,
you know,
what?
there's nothing
And
to
that
do
could
now.
change the game because when you lot were still debating, they came out and scored.
Well done. Turn! Russ is on, boy! Russ, you up! Finish! Oh, lucky. Right, mate. They break with the ball, there's nothing like the back. You go for the he's all that tight. No, you've got to put him in now. Keep going in. Guys, give the first thing on the back. Real quick. Good.
Come on, it's not my time, it's your time, you ain't got much of it.
Go. Hold in there, ready. Get it.
Their ball to give it back to the